They're cool. You can have them. You can use those
we've got them.
complete your food.
So,
That way around.
quite good.
The Norway one. Is it a Norway seagull?
Yeah, so it's a so it's what I call it's a camouflage. You know the big one? I think that was his only 2. And he does a video, he sends you a video and goes, right, which one do you want? And he does it right down every single thing. He videoed it, he sent little bottle opener on it and shit.
I bet you sold a shitload of knives, I think.
Say again?
You're a knife order, aren't you? Or you what?
No, I've not got many now, have I? I do occasionally buy one. I've got one of those old-time, you know, Ontario Knife Company ones. The ones that are like the old butchers now, yeah. Got one of them. Then rocket free.
A rocket free?
Fuck me. Yeah, 2.2 litre that, eh? 2.3. I had a test ride on one of them. Oh, we've got this new bike.
They've been terrorising his wife's bulbs, so he converted a rat trap into a squirrel trap, and I think he shot the second one. And Jess was like, "What's in the bag?" And I was like, "The squirrels." She goes, "Get them in the back garden now."
What's in the bag?
Squirrels.
What we just fur on and little cute faces.
Literally, yeah.
Do you know what I find weird when you skin them? The little clawy feet of one.
Roby one.
Because if you don't come and play dead or anything, so that's frightened the squirrel.
No.
It ends up in. I'm just trying to remember how it starts.
When you were there, wasn't it, Chris?
Things I do for you.
I like your scene.
Jesus Christ! You were not there. What are you doing in Irish? What are you pop farmer?
Get eggs! Get eggs! Good eggs!
Oh.
Brilliant.
Not been yet.
Not you a local, though?
No.
Something about the Madeline Fancy.
That's really nice.
Good eating.
And then I can make the signs off this. This is the one that goes underneath, so it doesn't get wet. And then have a few more. Could have a big one at the front underneath the table.
Lovely. Have you not had squirrel before? Good. Very. There's not a lot of meat on it. You're like trying to, as you saw in the video, trying to cut round some of the little bones. You get a few chunks, enough to pass around the group a good few times then. Tastes like, the guys were saying it tastes a bit like lamb. I've got more of like a pork taste, but like not a sausage, like a pork, like chop. But it's lovely. I mean, it's a very lean meat, very, very soft cooking it that way, quite slowly. So yeah, thumbs up.